Hi everybody, welcome to this video on how to shade in 3-set Venn diagrams. If you haven't already seen our other video on shading 2-set Venn diagrams, you definitely should check it out.
All right, so we are heading out tobogganing after this, so we're gonna get right to our first example here. So I think this means complement of A intersect complement of C.
Yes.
Is there another way?
Yeah, the other way to say it is to say not A and not C.
So I think I'm gonna start by putting a dot wherever A does not exist.
Good.
Does that make sense?
That makes
Where's
sense.
A?
So A is right, feeling it.
Right there, right?
Right there, yeah, right there.
Okay, so I'm gonna put a dot outside of A. Is this outside of A?
This is outside of A, yeah.
This is outside of A?
Yep. And
This is outside of A. Ooh, yep, there we go.
Perfect.
All those are outside of A.
So all the regions within A, no dots, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna put a dot wherever C does not exist. Okay, so where's C? Right there. Okay, perfect. And so there's not C. There's
Yeah,
not
that
C.
makes sense, yes.
There's not C, and there's not C.
All right, so our dots are in place. Now we have to look at this symbol again. Intersect,
Yes. What does that mean again?
where
The two sets
both
exist
at the same time.
Okay, good. Awesome. I love it. So that means we have to shade in wherever there's two dots.
Yeah,
right?
that makes sense.
Yeah.
The intersection between not A and not C.
Yeah, and maybe what I should have done is I probably should have moved this dot over to here, if that's okay.
Just to make it a little bit more
yeah,
obvious.
that's right. Obvious that there's two dots in that region. Okay. All right. So
I see two dots here,
yeah,
two dots here.
yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and shade in
Okay.
wherever there are two dots. So it would include this entire outer region. I could start moving those lines into that other region that has
For
two
sure.
dots. So extending those in, there's two dots in this region, right?
Yeah. Well done.
Is that good? So
That
all
looks
the
great.
remaining regions do not have two dots. Ready
Okay.
for the next one.
Let's switch sides.
Okay.
Okay. All right. New question. So this one, what does this one say, Dana?
I would read this as A union B union not C.
Okay.
How would you read that?
Well, I could read it as A or B or the complement of C. Does that work?
It does.
Okay, good. So should I start?
Yes.
Okay, so this time it's a little easier because they just want A. So I think there's 4 regions. Can I use orange? Or should I use blue?
Use yellow because we used yellow for it.
Okay, thank you. So yellow,
First one.
so let's make the legend up there. So here's A, here's A, here's A, and here's A.
Okay. B.
B.
B exists here. B exists here. B exists here. B exists here.
Okay. Can I get you to help me with this last one then?
All right.
So
So
C.
not C, or could be read as complement of C.
Right? So there's C, so everything outside of this. Okay, so here, here, oh that's interesting, here, and that's it, right?
Did you get the outer region?
Right. The outer region. Let's get that.
Don't forget about that. It's so easy to forget that
'Cause
one.
it's not C.
But don't do that. Don't forget to do that, I should say. Okay, so are we going to put a legend on there?
Yeah, let's put a legend on there. So there's actually 3 legends that you're seeing before you. Okay. So how do we do this now?
A union B union complement of C.
Mhm.
That means uniting.
Yes.
So we're going to unite everything that's part of A or B or not C. So wherever there's at least one dot,
Yes.
that's going to work? Okay.
Right.
So you go ahead and shade and
Okay. So at least
region.
one dot. So basically just this whole sort of upper area here. So I'll start here. And And then, well, that's just for that one dot there.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like the entire A circle is filled with dots.
Makes sense because that's part of what we're uniting.
And the entire B circle also, right? So
That makes sense as well.
perfect. So the only thing that's not shaded is this little boat-shaped region.
Excellent.
All
I
right.
think that looks good.
I love it. So, ladies and
All
gentlemen.
right, well, I gotta go.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you shade in 3 set Venn diagrams. Just she had to go.